How to download and install TeamViewer on your PC in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install TeamViewer on your PC in 2024. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the official TeamViewer website. Type www.teamviewer.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to download TeamViewer right on the home page. Click on the Download for Free button. The website will automatically detect your operating system and start downloading the TeamViewer setup file for Windows. Once the download is complete, click on the setup file to start the installation. A window will pop up asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. Next, you'll see the installation options. Choose Default Installation for the easiest setup and click Accept Next. TeamViewer will now install on your PC, and this should only take a few minutes. After the installation is complete, TeamViewer will launch automatically. You'll see a unique ID and password on the screen. This is what you'll use to connect remotely to other devices. To make sure everything is working properly, try connecting to your PC from another device using the ID and password. If the connection is successful, you're all set. And that's how you download and install TeamViewer on your PC in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.